Come on, do a little dance.
Oh my, here it comes again. Oh my. I'll get out of here. Be very careful, everyone. You not want to get in the way. No. Wow. You think she's interested? She doesn't look very interested. She already has 2 babies, so I don't know what he's doing. You've already done your duties. You've already done your duty, man. Typical male.
Look at me. I'm like pretty.
That is so gorgeous.
I've seen this on the Discovery Channel all the time, but now you get to see it for real. Come around this way.
Look, come back.
I did. That's the dance I did for you.
Done?
Thank you. What kind of bird is it?
A great Argus pheasant.
Great Argus pheasant? And that's the mating dance.
Yep.
The Great Argus pheasant.
Oh, never mind. There you go. Okay.
I did get a cool picture of him displaying them.
Yeah, that.
I want you to do that kind of dance for me.
Okay.
This is weird.